Welcome back. If Snapchat's silent notifications are still showing up on your lock screen and you'd rather keep things a bit more private, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to turn that off using the latest settings. Let's get straight into it. First, grab your phone and open your settings. This is where all the main controls for your apps live. Once you're inside settings, scroll down until you find apps, then tap on it. Now you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Scroll through or use the search bar to find Snapchat and tap on it when you see it. Inside the Snapchat app settings, look for notifications and tap on that. This section controls everything related to how Snapchat alerts you. Next, tap on notification categories. This is where Snapchat separates different types of notifications so you can customize them individually. Now look for silent notifications under the general section. Go ahead and tap on it. These are the notifications that don't make noise but can still appear on your screen. Once you're in, tap on lock screen. You'll see a few options here, but the one you want is don't show notifications. Select that option, and that's it. From now on, Snapchat's silent notifications won't appear on your lock screen anymore, giving you a cleaner and more private experience. If this helped you out, feel free to stick around for more quick and easy tech tips just like this.